Let us just talk about few view options we have into Power Query, and then we're gonna finally load the data later on, and we'll start using the data view and the modeling and all those steps we are going to do. Okay, so over here I'm already into the view tab. We have the products table in front of us. And first of all, query settings. What is this query setting? If you see on the right hand side, this is what we are discussing since the very beginning. If you cross it, do not worry about it at all because that option has been turned off. Yes, you can simply come over here and just turn on the Power Query and you are good to go, right? Second of all, this formula bar, if it is not visible, I have unchecked it, it's gone. Check it, it's visible. Similarly, if you want to change the type of the font which is over here, there is monospaced font type is also available. You can see it got converted into that. It's completely up to you. If you want to go with that, you can. Show white space, I uncheck it. It won't make any much difference over here depending on the data actually. And then we have the column quality, which is something which is interesting. For example, I'm here into product key, and if I click on the column quality, it says 100% valid values are there, no error and no empty. But let me go towards right. See, do we have something over here? No, nothing. I think it is absolutely fine. Let me go with customers then. Let me see, do we have something over here? Look at that. In the prefix column, there is few cells which are empty. There is 9 entries which are empty. Out of 1000, by the way, it's not the entire data. Okay, it is just less than 1% showing that it's empty. And you can also see this bar over here. It's this kind of a green, red and black. So green over here in the bar itself, you can see a little bit of black color, which is actually representing empty. So that is what you can look at. I'll simply keep it checked right now. And then we have the column distribution. This is also very interesting. This gives you some more information. Like, look at that. This is how this column has been distributed. There are 4 distinct values. If you see the prefix, it has 4 distinct values. And you remember we discussed about the product model. Let me just go there to show you the example. Here it is, product model. You can see 119 distinct values are coming and 82 unique values are coming in total. Correct? So similar way, we have all these data sets along with the column quality. So initially you can use it to just play around to see the data that you connected, how it looks like, to get the feel of the data basically. And then we have the column distribution, column quality, as well as the column profile, which is very interesting. It show you the entire view over here. Let me just drag the face cam, and now you can see over here it is showing you everything related to the data. Standard deviation, even, odds, minimum, maximum value, everything. So this is what we did earlier. Suppose I'll go with the sales and let me just go to the order quantity right over here, and let me see the count is 1000. This is the maximum count it can show, so do not rely on to that. And so based on that 1000, it is minimum, maximum are same. So don't go with it because it has many rows. So that is the reason we use, you remember, transform and statistics and all those things we have used. That was the reason. So this is how you can go about it, at least get a feel of what is there into that column. Right, you can also go with, so I'm not going with the advanced editor. This is regarding the M query right now. So let me show you the query dependency. Query dependency, that is, this query is dependent on anything. You can see this is the view, and let me change the layout to left to right this way. So this is the query dependency that you get. So let me just show you how it looks like. So can you see that is the sales table, and sales table is coming from all these sales and products, because you remember we merged the queries also. Invoke column function is also coming, and the source. So this way you can get a better view if you want to just have a control over what you have got into this view. Right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understood the basic things. Very small But I still believe it is good to mention this over there right now. It will be helpful for you, right? So once you do it and start connecting the data, I believe these things will really help you in understanding the pulse of the data. Thank you so much.